Hey you guys, it's your girl Keyana Talented. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning OG, what is up? Now today I'll be showing you guys how I actually clean my makeup brushes, and this is the cheapest and the easiest way ever, in the entire world. So if you're interested in watching, definitely stay tuned. So right now you guys are looking at the Urban Butterfly Makeup Brush Cleansing Mat. This is from Five Below and I got this for $5. And the soap that I clean my makeup brushes with is the Dial Antibacterial Soap. I know they have different ones. This is just the one that I grabbed. I have used the blue one, but any Dial Antibacterial Soap will work. The next thing I like to do is, usually I would use paper towels for this, but I did not have any paper towels in the house, so we have to improvise. So I took some clean washcloths and I placed that across my bathroom sink, and these are just going to serve as my, drying rack for my makeup brushes after they are clean. Then I take a dirty makeup brush and I run it under some hot water just to get the bristles wet, and then I take the brush and I swirl it around on the bar of soap, and then next I swirl it around on my brush cleansing mat. And this is how I clean my makeup brushes, you guys. This technique and this method has been working for me. I've been using it for a couple months. I actually got this technique from I was watching Kiki Adams, Beats by Deb, who else, Brie Danielle on Instagram. So I was following them and I wanted to try a different method of cleaning my brushes, because before I was using Dawn dish soap and olive oil. Now if you don't know how much Dawn dish soap is, baby, it's not cheap, okay? It's expensive, and I was literally going through maybe a bottle within 2 weeks, and who got money to be spending on some soap just to wash your brushes? So this way is a lot cheaper, because the Dial soap is way cheaper. I bought a pack of 8 for $4, and literally 1 bar of soap can get me 4 washes. So that's literally 1 month of washes. Now I do wash my brushes once a week. And I do once a week because I don't really do my makeup every single day, and I don't take clients, and I don't do makeup on anybody else. So all my brushes are just strictly used on my face. And like I said, I don't do my makeup every day. I do it, maybe every other day, every other day, you feel me? Honestly, I only wear makeup when I'm filming, because for one, we're quarantined, so I ain't been going nowhere, and yeah, I just ain't going nowhere. So I just wash my makeup brushes every other day or whatever. I mean, every week. So this soap lasts me, and it gets my brushes so clean, you guys. My brushes get so clean doing it this way. So as you just seen, you guys, when it comes to face brushes, I wash those one at a time, by themselves, because face brushes have a little bit more product and a little bit more buildup in it, and I really need to get those clean. But when it comes to my eyeshadow brushes, I group those brushes together, because who has the patience nor the time to clean eye brushes one by one? And not me. There's maybe somebody out in the world that does, but me, no. I group my brushes together. So I tend to group them the same type of brush, blending brushes, I group those together. Eyeshadow packing brushes, I group those together, just because it's a lot easier to hold. But the same way I do my face brushes is the same way I do my eye brushes, just one is grouped together and then the other is just single. But I just run it under some water, rub it across the bar of soap, and then I just use the cleansing pad, and I do this until I see the water run clears. Once the water is running clear, I know that my makeup brushes are clean, and I know that all the product is out of the brush. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I will pop back in when I need to. If you have not gave this video a thumbs up, make sure you do so. And if you're not subscribed to baby girl's channel, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button, turn in your post notifications too, because they right next to each other, and I want you to get notified every single time I post a video. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, you guys. Just popping in again real quick. So I do clean my makeup brush holders as well, and I do use the Dial soap, and I just give it a good rinse because, you know, when my makeup brushes do go back in the holder, it does get dirty, and, you know, just for sanitary reasons, I do like to clean my makeup brush holders, and I do this once a week when I clean my brushes. So here are my beauty sponges, and I also wash my beauty sponges with the Dial soap, you guys. Like, it is just the best way to clean makeup brushes and makeup sponges. Like, it definitely does a good freaking job. But when it comes to my makeup sponges, I do wash those every single time I use them, and I definitely can say that I got this from Aaliyah J, because honey, she used to drill that into our heads. She still does, you feel me? She always says do not use a dirty beauty sponge because your makeup just will not turn out flawless, and I can definitely say I agree with her. Like, I've used a dirty beauty sponge before on like a makeup application, and it just kind of ruined my makeup because the sponge was dirty and I was putting fresh product, and it just wasn't a good mix. So I do clean my brushes, I do clean my beauty sponges every single time I use them, and like I said, it's the same way I do my makeup brushes: running under water, rub the sponge on the soap, and then just do it until the water runs clear, and boom, I got some clean makeup sponges, and I have clean makeup brushes. Now the next step that I do just to clean my brushes and just kill that extra bacteria that, you know, that may have been living on my stuff is I take some alcohol and I just spray that across my brushes, and I also do spray it across my beauty sponges, and this is what I do to clean my makeup brushes, you guys. So I want you to comment down below and let me know if you guys have like a cheaper, affordable way to clean brushes. Let me know how you clean your brushes, and that's pretty much all, my friends. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.